Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're cleaning Bexley Heath. It's a rather grimy patio and the weeds are quite tall at the back. But yeah, just want to say thank you for the support I've been getting recently. Really appreciate all the comments, subscribing and the likes. And yeah, hope you enjoy this clean and check Theo's funny outro at the end. Right, and that's the clean done. Patio restored to its former glory. So yeah, then move on to the outro with Theo. It's a bit longer this time, but it's not all about work, and hopefully it makes you laugh.
This way.
Is it down the hill?
Down here.
Is it? Go.
Lady, is that hill?
Is that a lady down the hill?
Hey, you're faster.
Faster? Whee! Whee! It's fun. It's a speed camera.
Whoa, whoa,
Wow.
whoa.
Any good?
Fast.
Huh? Faster? Fast. Oh. Easy. Hey. Nice either.
Not fast that time.
Wanna go faster?
Faster. Faster. This way.
What way do you want to go?
Right.
Wanna cross the road?
That's the road.
Let's cross the road then. Look left, look right.
Cheeky road.
Cheeky road.
Cheeky car.
Cheeky car.
So,
Alright, you're going to tell everyone your name. Say my name's Theo.
that's Theo.
And my name is Ben.
Ben.
That's my name. But yeah, we're just trying out this kids ride shotgun seat. Actually, quality is quite kind of sick and can't been out it really. And you love it, don't you, Theo?
The bike ride.
Going for a bike ride. Just gone over the local park. We're just by 5 Arches, which is really nice. I'll ride past it, just sort of show you.
That's muddy. That's muddy.
Yeah?
That's muddy. That's muddy.
Oh, God.
That's muddy.
It's a bit muddy, isn't it, mate?
Morning.
I stumbled across it on Instagram. I think it was 140 for the bars and seat. And it's the various bikes, so you can just, you're selling your, moving on to a new bike or whatnot, you can take with you. So yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. You like it?
I feel like it.
Yeah, likes it. Come on.
Go on. Come on.
Is it too slow? Come on.
Come on.
Come on, tell them.
Look at the bed. Swam. That's swam.
Ready?
That's swam. Get it. So
We're
swam.
now on the bridge, which is 5 Arches.
Swam.
Whee!
There's swam.
Might see it in the background now. Your bum okay?
Bum.
Your bum hurts. Come then. Yeah. Seems pretty good. He hasn't moved from the position. I need to tighten his feet up more, but generally hasn't let go of the bars unless it's the point. Oh no, it's going to rain. Nice by you. Yeah, get up. Are you falling asleep? It's raining. Theo. It's raining. Can you see anything under that helmet? Bubba, can you see anything under that helmet? You okay? Theo. You okay, Bubba? I swear, it feels like he's falling asleep. Oh my god. Falling asleep. Theo. Alright. Just checking he was alive. She is. Mate, not great promotion for the old shotgun seats. They can be a bit boring for them, clearly. Thought he was having a blast. Not quite sure what to do now. Right. Probably not. It's raining. Theo's fallen asleep. And we're about, what, 10-15 minutes away from home. Not like a normal ride. Not the one with a kid on your shoulder. But oh mate. Thought I'd just try and make a good video. Let a few people laugh. Kids had enough and falling asleep. So muddy as well. This is a nightmare. Might as well, you know. Bit about me now. Anyway, yeah, the kid loves shotgun. Great piece of kit when your kid's up for riding it. Didn't have a nap today. Clearly that was a issue. I mean, you wouldn't think he's fallen asleep, but he has. Right. Anyway, where was I? He's fallen asleep. Oh. Looks like I just robbed a kid, literally. Like everyone's looking at me like he's just stolen a kid from the park, or you know. Cheers, Theo. How are you asleep? Like, how do kids do this? Are you serious? Like, I'm not the fittest guy, not gonna lie. And having a flipping 2-year-old on one arm pedaling through mud is not great. It's a tight bit coming up here. I'm not making it through. Falling asleep. He's meant to be on this seat here, like holding along. He's sitting here holding the handlebars. Yeah, knackered. Well, someone didn't think I kidnapped him. But yeah, come on, can you not just hit the thumbs up for this and drop a subscribe? Be great. Anyone else got kids that do random stuff like this? But yeah, just trying to just kickstart my channel off. I'll make some funny outro for me cleaning one. That's enough. Instead everyone's looks like I'm just carrying a doll around. To be fair though, at least I got it recording of him falling asleep. He was literally just talking about a squirrel and then just dropped off. Fair enough, mate. But yeah, he's an heavy lad. Definitely wish I didn't feed him today. I think it is the front brakes. I'm proper feathering it around the corners. But yeah, I should have stuck to them. The flipping one just got on the back and they just sit on it, and yeah, all they see is your back. Oh, let's get a fancy one. Great idea. There you are. Right, you just fallen down. Right, my dual carriageway's shut. Gonna ride up it. Yeah. How is this kid asleep? Someone please tell me. This ain't easy. Trying to counter his balance the way he's leaning on me. But yeah, nearly home, which feels like a blooming lifetime. I'm missing bits. I'm going to try and front it like I've had the easiest ride here. Yeah, confirm. Get him. He's a real kid. Dull for trying to get some views. Definitely not. Three of me try and go out and do something a bit different. Stop hibernating. You know, live a little. Home stretch. Made it. You know, it's like sometimes when your kid wants to sleep. He wants to sleep. Just let him nap. I don't know how I did that, but yeah, really great these kid rides, shotgun seats. Definitely. Don't go too far away though, and from home. But yeah, thank you for watching the video if you did, and if you could drop a comment, like, or even subscribe, that would help. It's my arms are killing and I'm wondering what I'm doing. Anyway, keep watching. Say bye for you.